Hey everyone, it's another episode of Clear the Clutter with Christine, and we're still in the closet doing our spring cleaning, purging, and decluttering. And today I'm here to talk about why you should color code your clothes. People ask me that question all the time. And it's not because you're OCD, it's not because you're a perfectionist. It allows you to find what you own when you need it, which saves time and not overbuy more of the same items you already own. So if you have 10 black sleeveless dresses, they're all together and I may need a long sleeve dress that's black, but I don't need any more sleeveless dresses. It just looks great in a closet, so it looks organized, especially after you change the hangers, and it allows you to save time and save money. So stay tuned for more tips on how to spring clean your closet with Clear the Clutter with Christine.